What up, YouTube? B&L Performer checking in with y'all, man. We done add another square body, C-10, to the gallery, man. I'm saying, want y'all check this thing out, man. Right. Check out the interior, man. Got the wood grain. You know what I'm saying? Chevy symbol, white gauges. Tag down here in the console. I added something new to the channel, man. Another project. Got the praying hands in the seats. Got the suede, leather interior. 22s on it. Y'all check it out, man. Tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. Oh, she got a little thump in her. Y'all hear it? Yeah, my uncle just picked this up, man. You know what I'm saying? Another one of his toys, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna pop the hood on it, y'all. See the cow induction hood? I think it's about a 3-inch cow. 2.5, 3. Got the billet grill in it. Yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood on, let y'all take a look at that. Oh man, she in there, man. 350. I really don't know the specs on it. You know what I mean? But she in there, dog. Let me get that thumbnail real quick. Yeah, man. Just want to check in with y'all, man. Show y'all, man, some of the things we doing, man. Like I told y'all, it's big things to come to this channel, man. We call the movement, man. You know, just want y'all to keep looking at these videos, man. Check in with your boy B&L Performance, man. Like, subscribe, share, put your comments down below. And man, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. We out.